a secret. I'm not wearing any socks. Got your attention, didn't I? Well, my name is Cindy, and I'm 57 years old, and I am the mother of 3 adult children and 5 beautiful grandchildren. And I'm really excited about my life right now. I am so hopeful for the future and to be able to reach all my goals and dreams and my wildest desires because I am in a place in my life where I can work from home. Not only can I work from home, but I can work from anywhere. And next month, I'll be going to Australia with my husband. He has to work, but he's letting me tag along. And I'm so excited because I can work from Australia, and I will be working from Australia. With this digital product that I'm promoting, not only can I work from anywhere, but I have automations that are working for me 24/7. So it's the best of both worlds. I have the ability to work from anywhere, and I have automations, and they're out there all the time doing the work. And you're gonna want to get in on this journey because something really big is going to be happening in March, and you're going to want to know about it. And I wish I could tell you, but I can't, not yet. But I'm telling you, it will be a life changer. And if you're open to it and would like to know more about what's going on in our community, then you're going to want to go to our webinar tonight. And if you're open to it, comment webinar and I will get you the details. But it's going to be full of information, and our 5 and 6 figure income earning members are going to be sharing their knowledge with the group. And you can ask any questions that you might have, any reservations that you might have after seeing the promoting of this digital product. You can get those questions answered, and you too can be on your way to making daily pay. And like I said, something really big is going to be happening in March. So comment webinar and I will get you the details.